In this video, we are looking into the mystery box product from KeepHifi. They are running a mystery box campaign at this point of time. The cheapest one is $28. The middle one is $59, while the maximum is $109, if I'm not wrong. And this is the cheapest one. This is uh, one of the IEMs that you can get when you buy the $28 mystery box. So what they do is they have a range of products that are more expensive than what you pay, but the product will be a mystery product. You will not pick the product that you will get. So it's exciting. In any case, I have a couple of no a handful of products here, it seems. So this is this looks nice, interesting to be precise. So let's have a look at the IEMs in here. So KeepHifi, that's Merry Christmas. Yeah, I'm not Christian, so it doesn't matter a lot. So the first product here is the CCZ Duet. I am not versed about the prices and the kind of drivers they are using, but let's have a look into the specification of this IEM. Born for hi-fi sound, uh, zinc alloy cover. Okay, the back plate is zinc alloy, DD and BA hybrid, detachable earphone. Okay, black pro, black no mic. Do we have any information about the driver being used? No, no sizes on the driver, but let's have a look into this one. So you guys can see from the size, this one doesn't have a carry case or anything like that inside it, so it's not going to be anything fancy. I'm guessing the price should be around $25-30 max. CCZ DC02 was DC02 Solo was decent. I wasn't blown away by that one, but this one looks slightly more premium. This back plate looks interesting to me, but CCZ, just like KZ, doesn't offer carrying solutions, so we get nothing here. Exactly same ear tips as the TC02 Elite Duet. So 1DD 1BA. It's an interesting setup in any case. Can we see the drivers within this? Okay, so here is the BA driver. You guys can see, if you guys can see the BA driver, and this is the dynamic driver. So similar kind of build, similar rubberized fin, so should be fairly comfortable inside the ear. And the more premium part here is this metal back plate. Looks nice, looks very good, to be precise. I'm not expecting anything fancy either. Similar cable, similar cable, nothing fancy at all. Gets the job done, so I'm not complaining here. Same tips. So this is the CCZ Duet. Let me put this aside. Let's have a look at the next product. KBear's KBear Little Q. Now KBear was one of the more popular IEM brands back in 2022, but something happened to them. They haven't been making enough IEMs, but they still are making some budget IEMs, so uh, I should not be complaining. They were good. The diamond and those IEMs were decent. KBear diamond was decent. So little Q is a bullet type fixed cable IEM. As I said, nothing fancy here, but for a free IEM, this is okay. Nothing wrong, but does it have microphone? No, it doesn't have mic either. So I don't know what to expect from this. As I said, I'm not versed on the specification of this IEM either. So very small though. You can have this in your ear and take a nap. So it should not be uncomfortable. The cable looks decent. I'm yanking the cable, but it looks strong enough. Decent tips, nothing fancy. So this is the KBear Little Q. Interesting name. What are the specification here? They haven't specified the driver size or anything like that, but impedance is 32 ohm. That is a bit on the higher side. Sensitivity is very good at 118 dB, which should be fairly loud. So no issues out there. 3.5 mm jack. So it looks good. Looks good. We will see how this sounds. I'll make a single video of the impression of all these IEMs. This is the last one. So this is the KZ EDX. This is the cheapest of the lot, if I'm not wrong. EDCX. Okay, not bad. This one is supposed to be priced at around $15, if I'm not wrong. KZ EDCX. EDC was very popular because of its budget nature, but I have no idea about the EDCX. In any case, this one has a microphone, cyan in color and with microphone, so looks interesting at this point of time. As you guys can see, no carrying case, no carrying solution here either. So this is better. This is not bad at all. So you do not struggle with the box or anything like that. That is a reasonable thing in my opinion. I'm not exactly sure if this one has removable cable or not. Let's have a look. No, it doesn't have removable cables. If it does, they are very tight. So as I said, I'm not exactly versed on the specification of this, all of these IEMs, because of the mystery box nature of this this unboxing. In any case, this is the generalistic kind of cable from KZ, and EDCX seems like it doesn't have removable cables. So stuck cable, I do not think this is removable, but yeah, no, this is not removable as far as I am capable. I'll check if this is removable or not, and I will make the initial impression video accordingly. So this is the unboxing of the KeepHifi. Let me take that play card out. KeepHifi mystery box. Merry Christmas, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.